So I have to grind. I had to remake this.
Oh.
So I have to go over there and grind it and bend it. So I don't know if you want to mute me while I'm...
Okay. Okay, so the top and the bottom, they've both been made. The last time we were here, it was still the cardboard cut out.
Yeah.
Looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Beyond that, I saw that on the wire.
Curly Q, loom.
Yes, loom. There we go. That was the word. Is on the back. I saw that the mounty thing that looks like you would be shocked by it is in the back too.
Which one?
It's got like bolts on it.
Oh, the distribution bar? Yeah, we can go check that out. So the mount for this is actually outside drying, but I can take it off later. So with everything with this car, space is limited, right? So I have to kind of get creative with how I do things. This is my 650 amp distribution bar. It's overkill for what I need, but the next step down was like 250. So I went with the 650 just because there's gonna be a lot of current flowing through it, so bigger is better. So this is our relay fuse box that we talked about before. That's gonna be mounted up in here, like this. It'll go from this wire here. So there'll be a circuit breaker that's inside the battery box that's connected to this big wire here. So it'll run from battery to the circuit breaker, out of the battery box, up over the frame, along this cross member piece here, this crash bar, up inside the body to here, energizing and powering the entire distribution bar. Still have to make the final piece of this, but from there, we'll have this, which will be in 2 pieces. From the distribution block to the back side of this, which will have circuit breakers built into it, and then out of the circuit breakers into its respective, there'll be some for here, some for that. I calculated for a car amplifier for a stereo, and the 2 chargers that will charge the battery, the 12-volt battery. So all I have to do now is I'm waiting for my bracket that I made for this to dry. Then I'm gonna mount this in here. The wires will run from the back side of this because I have to build it. And they will run down underneath this bracket here and either drop down underneath or they'll go up and forward towards the front of the car.
The motors are in the wrong location, so that's why you started making me think. I was like, whew. Okay.
Because they need to be scooted back.
Well, the through motor is your drive motor. See, it has a shaft on each end?
Yes.
So that has to be at the bottom.
Ah. Yes. That would be important.
So that will then... Anyways, I gotta do it to where that goes through there, that drives one motor, and another shaft back here drives this motor.
Hey buddy, can I show you something? You can still get to it. You can easily get test leads in there, pull them out, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And then all the wires will still run up inside the body and then out the same place, everything else.
Perfect.
Yeah? Cool. Oh, and the chargers, we're gonna put them in the back, right? Both chargers are gonna be there on each side. So it takes the batteries, the high voltage batteries, and it converts it to 12 volts or probably 14 volts, and it charges this battery.
Oh, okay.
All right, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
They go into the body here, and on that side the same. And if you go inside the car, there's 2 oval-shaped cutouts. That's the exit for wires that enter here.
All right.
So, but yeah, it actually turned out nice. I used like the factory nuts from the fenders and stuff. I didn't have to weld it on. It's all removable.
Huh. He's painting the doors. Can you see? Just priming them. Can you? I don't know if there's a way to see inside there. Mixing more.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Directo metal.
Huh?
Ese es Prime directo metal.
Oh, for
so,
metal.
yeah, it's okay. It's easy to sand it.
It fits.
Are you good with these motors coming out, or are you still playing with stuff?
Whatever we gotta do, I'll make it work. If they gotta come out, I'll remove all the stuff and get it ready to pull out.
Yes.
So we're gonna pull this out so we get the fork thing here and take that out or what?
Is that bell housing ready to be bolted up?
What's up?
Hey, I hear you loud and clear.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Good. Because I'm speaking into the mic.
Is that bell housing ready to be bolted up? Because I can do it.
Actually, it would be better if we did pull these out and I did everything out here. It actually eventually.
And you
I'm
don't...
gonna leave it like 10 minutes to dry and I put the second.
Okay. I'm gonna go outside to not be high anymore.
I just feel like I just lost a year of my life.
Right.